The physiological role of macrophages. I'm already told macrophages are doing very amazing functions. Now only we are considered with the A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the major functions of the macrophages. Apart from that, they are doing variety of functions. Variety of functions. Only we are considered this level. Yes. The first function of macrophages is pattern recognition receptor. What is called pattern recognition receptor? Means this receptor will play the crucial role for recognize the antigen, recognize the antigens, especially in the innate immune system. This receptor will sense the antigen, will sense the antigen where the antigen is there in the tissue or where the pathogens are there in the tissue. The macrophages to sense the antigen only by the pattern recognition receptor. Without this receptor, the macrophages are never migrated to the antigen encountered cell by the pseudopodia. Okay. So these receptor will helpful to sense the antigen. Okay, how it sense means there are group of receptors are there, group of proteins are there expressed in the macrophages, expressed in the dendritic cells. You know very well, some the macrophages sometimes called dendritic cells. The group of proteins are expressed. Yes. So majorly two type of proteins are namely pathogen associated molecular pattern protein, damaged associated molecular pattern proteins. So now only I am taking two type of proteins, but variety of proteins are expressed at the time of macrophages that in the cells. Okay, this is the major pattern protein. So these protein to sense the pathogen, whether it's antigen is the pathogen, these protein to sense the antigen. Yes. So the protein called the pathogen associated molecular patterns. I'm already told macrophages are involved to neutralize the cellular derbids or other intracellular antigens or some dead cells or the product of apoptosis, some other insoluble antigens. So for recognition of that antigens, the macrophages will express the proteins called damaged associated molecular pattern proteins. So just you mind the macrophages to how it sense the antigen. Whether its antigen is a pathogen, the protein is expressed in the surface of the macrophages and to recognize the pathogens. And other proteins, maybe in the antigen is other, the damaged associated proteins are expressed. The macrophages to sense the damaged proteins. Okay. So these two proteins are collectively called the pattern recognition receptors in the macrophages surface. Okay. Okay. The second thing is the interaction between the uh, macrophages and apoptotic cells. The second fact is receptor for apoptotic cells. One thing kept your mind, every day our system will produce the dead cells. Yes. Every day, every hour. So those dead cells are every minute it's cleared in our system. I say one example. If you are take a tea or teaspoon of oil in in the morning 8 o'clock, if you take uh, a spoon of oil, a spoon of oil goes to reach the liver to to destroy the thousand number of hepatocytes within an hour. 1,000 number of hepatocytes are dead by for metabolize the a teaspoon of fatty acids. For metabolize a teaspoon of oil. Similarly, if you are smoke the 0.03 percentage of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, these gas, 1 liter of gas, inhaled gas, will destroy the nearly 1,000 number of alveoli in the lungs. So every hours, every minute, the cells are dead. This dead cell dead beats are cleared, cleared from the body only by the macrophages. These general process called apoptosis. So for the protection of the apoptotic cell dead beats will recognized by the macrophages by receptor for apoptotic cells. Yes. Okay. This is the interaction between the macrophages and apoptotic cells. This interaction can done by three ways. One is find me, eat me, or don't eat me. Yes. What amazing functions macrophages do. Just imagine. They differentiated. They differentiated them. Whether it's alive, whether it's pathogen, whether it's microbes, whether it's other things, whether it's self-antigen, whether it's what type of antigens, the macrophage sense. A single cell will sense the very amazing functions. First, to find me where the antigens there by chemokine receptor attractants. Second thing is eat me by Blexing semaphorin guidance and repulsion mechanism. This is the very detailed mechanism. I can show you. So find me by the chemotaxin receptor attractant and eat me by Blexing semaphorin guidance repulsion mechanism and don't eat mechanism by signal uh, and diffusible and some plasma components such uh, thrombospodin and intracellular interactions. So these don't eat by some signals and diffusible products or some thrombospodin and intracellular interactions. These or do uh, do not recognize the antigens by the macrophages. So macrophages are by the three way to recognize the and neutralize the apoptotic cell dead beats. Okay. Apart from that, some of the proteins are there. So huge number of proteins are there. Yes, for clearance of apoptotic cell dead beats from the body. This is the overall uh, macrophages to recognize the apoptotic cell dead beats. Just you remember, variety of proteins are expressed in the surfaces of macrophages regarding that, regarding the apoptotic cell. Yes. This is the macrophages. The macrophages function. Yes. The time of clearance of apoptotic terbites and every day and every hour. Okay. Hmm? But we are not going to this much level. Hmm? The third important factor of receptor of macrophages is cytokinin receptor. Cytokinin receptor. You know very well, cytokinins, the group of proteins, immunological proteins, involve the immune reactions, are helpful for immune reactions. Yes. Both innate and adaptive immune system. Okay. These cytokinins are to bind the some surfaces like T helper cells, B cells, T cells, dendritic cells, killer cells, Kupffer cells, plasma cells, dendritic cells, macrophages, neutrophils, and whatever it is. Yes. These cytokinins are goes to bind and activate some signal transduction at the time that depends upon the cells. Okay. But here some of the cytokines are comes to bind in the macrophages to activate the macrophages. Yes, this is a very important process because binding of cytokinin to the surface of the macrophages, inactive macrophages converted to active macrophages. Yes, please. After binding of cytokine to the cytokine receptor in the surface of the macrophages, these binding will drive the very beautiful mechanism called the Jack-SHAT pathway. Jack-SHAT pathway is the beautiful signal transmission mechanism by the activation of cytokine receptor. Moreover, these Jack-SHAT phosphorylated form of Jack-SHAT proteins will drive or will activate the another protein kinase. Those protein kinase to control the or regulate the some gene regulation or other cytoplasmic activity. But the cytokinin receptor will never phosphorylated by the cytokinin binding. So this uh, non-phosphorylated receptor of cytokinin is called cytokinin receptor. This non-phosphorylated cytokine receptor will induce and activate the JAK-STAT pathway. Yes, okay. This SAT protein may be phosphorylated. This phosphorylated form of SAT complex enter into the nucleus and finally act as a transcription factor for corresponding gene expression. Yes. Maybe this receptor will express the some hydrolytic enzymes or express the some increased number of mitochondria or increased number of Golgi body or MGH molecule, FC receptor, whatever it is we want. Yes. Okay. So these are the three important functions we are now learning today. Okay. Thank you for joining.